Hey guys, welcome back. Here in this video, we are going to understand how we can convert this button to an icon button. This is a normal button, but if I want to use icon, how I can use it, how I can change it to icon button that I want to learn. So here, suppose this is outline, I convert it to elevated button. Here, I click icon like this. Remember, as I do this, this is okay. This is okay, but we do not have a child there. In place of child, I should have a label, you see, and done. And in place of this label, with this label, I should need, you can say icon also. So I say icon, and the icon is the label. And here I say icon is the class also. Under this class, I need icons dot name of the icon. I say backend. This icon I want, anything which I can display. So icon is there, icon class is there, icons class is there, in which we have a predefined and pre-built icons. Then we have a text which you want to display. So here I say icon button, then Control S, and you see that this button is changed into icon button. You can see that. So this button is changed to icon button. I click here and we have the toast we have like this in the center, like this. You press button. So by this way you can add icon also if this is elevated. Suppose if it is text button, just you have to do this text button. Same we have code, save there, and automatically you will have the text button with the icon. If you have an outline, just remember, put here outline dot icon. You have the button with the icon like this. So you see by default text is coming to the right side of the icon, but if you want to change this icon to the left side, we have a two option. One option is by using the layout, the row type of layout, and second option is directionality if you want to set. So here I can set directionality like this, and in place of child I need to cut this all text button icon, cut this, and in place of child here I want to put this, you see, like this, children, and text direction I have to change to, I say text direction dot right to left. Save this. You see this direction is changed, icon is coming here. So you can use directionality. This is a one kind of widgets to design the layout for this. And here we have a text direction. As a child we are passing this button like this. So you can do like this. Otherwise we have a better option to use layout, that is called row layout. And how to use column layout, row layout, containers, that we are going to understand in next videos. So that's is all about in this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this.